We're in they call Myeongdong Palace, huh? Very touristy here in Incheon, Korea. Gandang location. I think very organized yung transportation here. The buses are separated, no, from the cars. So very organized, very systematic. You have Jongno District, Gwangwon. Time check is 3 p.m. But the weather, we're lost. Ano yan siya tayo? So everywhere they have CCTV, no? Security camera everywhere. Buildings, very nice structure here. I think we go down, Hannah. There's no other way.
The map is there that way.
But we can cross. We're going down. In order to cross, there's no pedestrian lane.
It's a video, babe.
Pedestrian underpass. Dongsi Gapak. Wala nga talaga nakalagay, oh, red na sa pedestrian, no? Hindi pwede. So there's no pedestrian lane. We're going underpass, no, to the other side. Okay, let's see. Hindi. I think underpass, oh. Oh, very nice underpass. Naman.